Light explained. Light is nothing more than a sheet of nature, a fabric of atoms traveling at exactly the same speed that will ultimately mean they arrive at the same time. Now, let's look at it deep. Light travels and moves as a sheet of atoms traveling at the same speed and at the same time. Now, as they reach an object that is traveling through the universe slower than them, what they do is they cloak on it. Now the photons, as they sit on the item, they give it a shape, as to say, now you are able to see the atom. That is what we actually see. Every time when I look at a sink, or every time I look at anything I wish to see that is around. Now, let's move to an area where there is actually less light. The less light there is, the less you see, which means the weaker the cloak of light, the weaker your sight. Now, this would ultimately mean that if you have, for example, an object that is traveling at a similar speed as that of light, you will not see that object. That is why it is so difficult to see smoke. It is so difficult to see hydrogen. But now, there are those different atoms which give off color as light passes through them, which now ultimately means they can take they don't take a certain type of light, but now they take a certain amount of energy from light before it passes through them, and then now reject the rest. That is the reason why you are able to see things. Light explained. Species Mhlabane, South Africa.